Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at a really special watch that we just got in stock. This is a Rolex Lady Tridor. It has a president band with the rose gold, yellow gold, and white gold middle link all together, as well as the white gold links on the outside. It has a diamond bezel, but most importantly, and the aspect that I think is the most special, is this crazy mother of pearl and Jubilee dial. So you can see as I move it around, when it's in the light, it looks like a mother of pearl dial. When it's in the darkness, it looks like a Jubilee dial. And it is both. It is a crazy dial that I don't think we've had many times before at all. So it's pretty rare and it's incredibly special. So if you're looking for a really unique Rolex watch, this one should be at the top of your list. First of all, this mother of pearl dial by itself is absolutely gorgeous. It has this really beautiful blue color, but it also has flashes of purple and green in it as well. And it has a lot of texture in it. Sometimes mother of pearl dials don't have as much texture, but this texture is really prominent and it looks gorgeous. But you can also see when you move it, it has somehow, Rolex has printed or in some way made the Rolex Jubilee pattern happen either underneath it or on top of it. I'm not sure how they do it. It's a mystery to me, but it's an amazing effect as you move it around. It adds a lot of texture, more texture to this dial already, which is kind of crazy. But it looks absolutely beautiful. I think in this setting as well, with all of the different colors of gold, I think that's really reflected in the different colors of the mother of pearl. It looks gorgeous. I also have to mention that I love these hour markers. They are round diamond settings as opposed to kind of the square or octagonal diamond settings that Rolex usually opts for. And I have to say, I am a fan of the round diamond settings. I think they are so much cuter, and these diamonds are a little bit smaller on the dial, so you can really appreciate the mother of pearl and the pattern a little bit more. It's an absolutely gorgeous watch. It's something that you will not find very much of, if at all. It's something that if you have fallen in love with this watch, if you are looking for a really unique Rolex watch with a dial that you're just not going to see everyone else wearing, because I don't think anyone else can find it, definitely check out this watch. Right now, I think we only have one with this dial, so definitely pick it up if you love it. But we also have a ton of other amazing Rolex Presidents available right now at SwissWatchExpo.com.